Hello, if you are here, I sent you one and two links for weekly planners or daily planners. Either or, I'll show you both of them. This one, I already have, set up for the first 4 weeks, but if you want to go ahead, and just duplicate, boom, it'll just, before you start filling everything out, you could just do that up until as many weeks as you want. This is, for example, the main goal. Say you want to lose 10 pounds. What are you going to do this week to work towards it? And how many days are you going to do it? This is important because these are the total tasks. Once you fill this out and you have like 50 tasks, I don't know, it's pretty cool to see like the percentage. So, for example, like you do 2 out of 12, that's 2 days out of 12, 16%. No bueno. Say if you really need to do some like Wednesday, you're like, I must work out no matter what. I have to make sure I do it. Just throw a little color on there, a little a little pizzazz, a little get at you. And then at the end of the week, this is how many you completed. Say everything is filled out, and I don't know, say you're on week 5 and you forgot to duplicate stuff, and you want to clear everything out. You know, do this. Delete it. I'm not going to delete it because I still have to show you. This to clear it, you just uncheck the box and scroll over. Boom. Same thing. You can go downwards too. Take a little edge. Boom. It's all cleared out. Over here is where you put the task in. Per day. Working out, and put social media, and you can plan out your whole day. And then, of course, if you forget, week 5, to clear stuff out. Same thing. You just delete. You're just gonna delete it. No. And then you just take the corner, same thing, drag it down, boom. Simple enough. Yeah, you can plan out your day, task, leave this here as part of the equation. Review. My week was terrible. I had pretty good days, pretty good weeks. But yeah, just cool to remind yourself. It's kind of based on this 12 weeks, called 12-week year. Basically, you set a goal like, lose 10 pounds. You set up every single week. What are you going to do every single week to, you know, create that or, complete that goal? First you want to do this. And yeah, basically just breaks, don't set yearly goals. That's too far ahead. Yeah. 12 weeks is, yeah, you basically turn into a yearly goal. But alrighty, so this is what I find the most helpful to-do list. I plan out my day right here, and then this is what I actually did that day. So to show you an example, this is what I was supposed to do that day, and this is what I actually did. And then I woke up late, so I put that in red. Over here, I was on my fantasy gambling apps. I'm glad I broke that habit, but yeah, I wasted a lot of time. So I put it in red. Review your day. How did you improve? At the end of the week, you could write your weekly review. You could put some inspirational stuff down here. And then, of course, over here, same thing. What did you do? Plan out your day. This is the blank sheet that you're going to see. If I mean, putting what you did every single hour is a little tedious or a little overdoing it, but I don't know, help me. So you can also just do the 4-hour time slot. What did you do from wake up to 9 a.m.? What did you do from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m.? Yada yada. Simple stuff. Put your review down here. Or you could do what did you do in the morning? What did you do during the day, like at night? Put your daily review there. Last few little tidbits is I'll leave you some links for Notion, to-do list, what's on high priority, aka like what do you have to do today. Medium priority, if you're done with high priority, you can get to this stuff. If not, it's okay. You can do it tomorrow. Then low priority is like in the future. For example, I like to put end of the month, something that can be done later on, and it's not a priority. So if I don't have to do it, basically these 3 are like what I do in the week, and then if I don't have to do it in the week, then I put it over here, and you could drag and drop stuff. Um, yeah, like put this over here, put this Oh, I actually did. I did put it over there. And then, yeah, once you complete the task, it goes to finish task right here. This is just an example. My God, I'm gonna start using it today. I think it's pretty cool. You might like these other two or three. I will put them in the description. This is goal setting. I just man, it's quarter one, quarter two. But it's also a vision board. I might actually use this one maybe. I've never used a vision board, but maybe it might help. What is your dreams? If you have a new vision, just click add vision, and then put whatever you want, add a vision, and then yeah, you want to put a link, a picture. That's how that works. Affirmations. Yeah, it's pretty cool. This one is come on, you can do it. Yeah, just another to-do list. Honestly, I'm not using this one because it kind of annoyed me that it starts on Sunday, and I couldn't figure out how to drag it over here. So, if you're not, OCD like me, and you're cool with that, I mean, I don't know why I get annoyed at stuff like that. Yeah, and it's kind of like here, like how I had mine, and then also this is like a tracker. I'm not sure if it actually works or if that's just made up numbers. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Same thing. It's kind of like a mixture of what I just showed you of my stuff. And then there's this one last one, which is another to-do list. And I just think it's cool. Yeah, same thing. It's just like, yeah, I like the progress part. Yeah, these are like habits. What do you do, to work out? You don't need to put a workout in your to-do list, so it's nice to separate them. So, yeah, that's that.